Think you have a sharp eyes? Then get ready for the ultimate animal challenge. We have got 30 exciting animal quizzes for you. The challenge gets harder as you go. You'll have only a few seconds to solve each one. Keep track your score and tell us how many you got right at the end. Let's begin. Can you find the odd dog? There it is. Spot the odd cat. Here's the odd one. Can you find the lion hiding among the giraffes? There's the hidden lion. Find the odd tiger. Here it is. Which animal matches this shadow? It's an elephant. Can you spot the odd panda? There's the odd panda. Find the odd rabbit. Here it is. Which of the animal is a The correct answer is the monkey. Can you find the odd fox? There it is. Spot the odd deer. Here's the odd one. Which letter is missing from the word wolf? The missing letter is this. Find the odd cow. There's the odd one. Can you find the pig hiding among the buffaloes? There's the hidden pig. Spot the odd horse. Here it is. Can you find the odd frog? There's the odd one. Which animal matches this shadow? It's a penguin. Find the odd owl. Here's the odd one. Which of these animals is an The correct answer is this one. Can you spot the odd duck? There it is. Look carefully at the pattern and find the odd chicken. Here's the odd chicken. Find the odd crocodile. There it is. Can you guess the missing letter in turtle? The missing letter is this. Spot the odd snake. Here's the odd snake. Which animal matches this shadow? It's an octopus. Find the odd dolphin. There it is. Look at the pattern carefully. Which whale is different? Here's the odd one. Find the odd shark. There's the odd one out. Can you spot the odd koala? Here it is. Final challenge. Which animal matches this shadow? It's a giraffe.